So troops, another day, another adventure here in Mactan, New Town. Today we're gonna visit the Mactan Shrine. As you can all see, my dad is moving down his vehicle and now we're gonna enter the shrine of Lapu-Lapu.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat mga katrops. Nandito kami sa Mactan Shrine, Lapu-Lapu City. So dito mga katrops, makita natin ang mga magagandang tanawin dito. Yung Magellan, Tatua, nandito po sila. At tingnan natin ngayon, puntahan natin. Okay, to the next video.
So as you can all see, troops, as we enter the Mactan Shrine, this is a very historical place where a lot of tourist attractions take place. You can see a lot of people passing by. We actually see foreigners as well. And my dad trying to point out the statue of Lapu-Lapu. So in this segment, troops, you can see the Battle of Mactan a long time ago here in the Philippines. Let's go ahead and read what is stated here on the stone tablet. So, Lapu-Lapu here on 27th of April, 1521, Lapu-Lapu and his men repulsed the Spanish invaders, killing their leader Ferdinand Magellan. Thus, Lapu-Lapu became the first Filipino to have repelled European aggression. So which means, troops, that Lapu-Lapu rebelled against the colonization of Mactan in the Philippines. Right, Dad?
Totoo mga katrops, yung sinabi ng anak ko.
Look at the painting. So as we can all see, the battle began at March 1521 on the island of Mactan here in the Philippines. So this is the perfect painting for us to see the battle that took place in Mactan Island when Lapu-Lapu defended us from the colonization. Here at the back of the stone tablet, we can see Ferdinand Magellan's death. On this spot, Ferdinand Magellan died on April 27, 1521, wounded in an encounter with the soldiers of Lapu-Lapu, chief of Mactan Island. One of Magellan's ships, the Victoria, under the command of Juan Sebastian and Elcano, sailed from Cebu on May 1, 1521 and anchored at Sanlucar or Barameda on September 6, 1522, thus completing the first circumnavigation of the Earth.
So mga katrops, dito natin makikita ang statwa ni Lapu-Lapu, yung pumatay ni Magellan. Okay mga katrops, lahat naman dito sa Mactan Shrine, binidyohan namin yung nakikita niyo ito, si statwa ni Lapu-Lapu. Makikita niyo mga katrops, yung sa bronze statwa ni Lapu-Lapu.
Si Lapu-Lapu ay isa sa mga pinuno ng Mactan na nilinigang sa sarili at malaya ang kanyang bayan mula sa kapangyarihan ng hari ng Espanya at hindi kinilala ng pagtalaga ni Ferdinand Magellanes. Kaya umabot bilang pinakamataas na pinuno ng Cebu at Mactan.
So mga katrops, dito makikita natin ang napakagandang tanawin sa Mactan Shrine. Yung flag natin na makikita ng flag sa Pilipinas. Yung estatwa ni Lapu-Lapu mga katrops. Mga katrops, nakikita ba ninyo itong nakita ko? Yung malalaking itak. Yan ang pumatay ni Magellan. Nakita mo mga katrops. Tingnan ninyo mga katrops.
Napakalaking machete mga katrops. Tingnan nyo po yan mga katrops. Look at that. So of course, troops, we are currently on near the shore of the Mactan Shrine. As you can all see, the wonderful, marvelous view here in the background, you can see all the cottages, all the people gathering around over there, the foreigners, and of course my dad here with me as well.
Hey. Okay mga katrops, dito kami sa Mactan Shrine. Makikita ninyo ang mga magandang tanawin dito mga katrops. Yung mga mangroves, nandito ang laki. Mga katrops, itong makikita natin nga gobo, yun ang ginamit nila pag reenact dito. Kasi dito po nangyari ang Battle of Mactan noong 1521. Dito naganap ang pangyayari. So dito rin nilagi i-reenact ang pangyayaring ito.
So troops, in this video you can see the Battle of Mactan taking place right now here. If you just take a closer look about the details. So Ferdinand Magellan, this is Ferdinand Magellan right here. And this is Lapu-Lapu.
Lapu-Lapu.
He killed Magellan.
Sa huling pagkakataon mga katrops, tingnan natin ang mga magandang tanawin. Sana mayroong natutunan kayo o natuwa kayo sa video namin. Pauwi namin ngayon upang mamasada. So mga katrops, hanggang dito lang po yung video namin. God bless us all.